I'm doing this video for FreedomWorks as a submission for Are You an Obamacare Victim? And yes, I am an Obamacare victim for a couple of reasons. The first of which is, if the best analogy I have is if you told Lucifer, in 2 years, we're going to lower the temperature of hell by 40 degrees. Lucifer, over the next 2 years, is going to gradually raise the temperature of hell by 40 to 50 degrees. So when the government comes in to lower the temperature, it's right where he wants it. And that's kind of essentially what's happening with Obamacare. The second this was signed, insurance companies started pulling back and they started raising their rates quite a bit. So in the 2 years since it's passed, my insurance costs have gone up. I think the last time I did the math was 22%. And my copays have gone up 41%. Let me say that again, 41%. We pay hundreds of dollars every month to have this insurance. And when I needed it, it wasn't there for me. And here's what happened. Ever since the free candy went to all the women on birth control, that's a big voting block. And that's what that was intended to do, is buy votes. So now every young woman in America who uses certain kinds of contraception, it has no out of pocket anymore, and that has a cost. So some companies were already offering that, but with the copay but whatever. But it goes up. It goes up, and other services decline. So here, let's have a look. I'm rather busty, and it's not very comfortable, okay? So let's get the eyes off of that. And it causes me all kinds of problems. It causes me back pain problems. I've had a cyst from it because, let's go back, keeping the jugs up off of everything else takes a bra made out of rebar, and that's not cheap. So anyway, we're comfortable. So between the back problems and the constant having to do this, I don't know if I can hear it. I don't think you can hear it on the video, but it makes a sound here. It's painful. I decided finally, all right, that's it. I'm done. I want a breast reduction. And if I had done it a year ago, I would have gone right through. Anybody with a double D cup or greater was automatic pass with insurance company. I have a triple D cup and not large enough around here to ever find many that fit. So it's very difficult to have the right fit to keep the jugs up. So I went and had a consultation with a surgeon. He said it's going to be difficult because of Obamacare, but I really think you're a candidate here. I mean, God, he took all kinds of pictures, and he said it's going to be a long process, and then took 6 to 8 weeks for me to hear back from them, and it was worse than a no. First they said no, and then he demanded a review by a medical director. So the medical director finally came back and said, and what he said was to take off about 300 some odd grams. So that was going to take me from a triple D to a C. Okay, I can live with that. I'll be in proportion. I'll be fine. And some women balk at that. They don't want to go lower than a D. I'm fine with that. Take me down to a C, no problem. So the medical director came back and said, okay, we'll do it, but only if we take off 600 some odd grams. And he said, are you kidding me? That's a mastectomy. And they went, take it or leave it. So they're willing to maim me. So if I ever hear another Democrat talk about a GOP's war on women, I am going to kick them in the balls, because that's the war on women. You're going to maim me because you have to hand out all this birth control. And I don't feel sorry for insurance companies at all. I think the Lucifer comparison was probably pretty balls on accurate. But that's horrible, to maim me, turn me into the reason why nobody ever used to give themselves breast exams. And oh, and by the way, if you have breast cancer, good luck trying to get reconstruction covered under that too, because that's just not enough of a voting bloc, for the leftist, agenda that's being rammed through by Barack Obama. And I think the Democrats have absolutely lost their minds. So there's my story. If anything that we can do to get this defunded or go away is going to benefit everybody. Thank you so much and have a great day.